In this video, I will show you how to delete WordPress site backups in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next, in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to this cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. Next, scroll down and click on the WordPress section under Applications. Now, in WordPress installation page, click and enter the Backups section. Here you will find all the backups of your WordPress sites. In this video, I will be deleting the backups of my Designo page site. You can see that automatic backups are created regularly. These backups keep increasing and use more storage space. To delete the backups, first select the backups you want to remove. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now click on the Delete button. Again, click the Delete button and the backups will be deleted completely. And done. You can see here that all the selected backups are deleted permanently, except the one we kept. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.